Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Micro Teaching English. I am Subhashish Bandyopadhyay, as usual with the same mission to facilitate the problems of your word. Today I have decided to send for you a video which I would like to entitle as Adjective, Types and their order. Adjective, the word, has been originated from Old French adjective and Latin adjectivum, which means attribute to a noun. In a broader sense, we can define adjective as a part of speech that modifies either a noun or a noun phrase or a pronoun. Now, let's talk about the types. The types of adjective is a great number of really, yet the most common ones will be discussed. For it, I am going to make this video a little bit funny. Let's imagine that this noon I have been taking a nap, and in my dream came little Stuart, who was saying, "Did I propose a Queen Anne or quail parting coolly, nudging?" I have actually used the initials of different adjectives. DIT, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective, indefinite adjective, proper adjective, possessive adjective, adjective that quantifies, that is adjective of quantity, adjective of number, adjective of quality, participle adjective, adjective of color, noun used as adjective. Let's have some example to make the students appreciate my discussion. Demonstrative, this, that, these, those are such examples. This mobile, that umbrella, these trees, those books. Well, let's have a thumb rule for identifying adjective. Adjectives are really placed just before a noun, as you have just noticed that in the first place I have used adjective and it followed a noun. The next one, interrogative adjective. Interrogate, to ask, so it must have some question. Whose house is this? I think I know. Here, whose is the interrogative adjective. Which color do you want? What is the most preferred dish for you? In these cases, the WH words are interrogative adjectives. Distributive adjective. Examples: each, every, and many more. Each child is really gifted. Every man should love his child. Here, each and every are distributive adjectives. Indefinite adjective. Indefinite, as the word reveals, it is uncertain. So, certain king, here certain is the indefinite adjective. A tree, here A is the indefinite. In the same manner, an, some, any, all these are indefinite adjectives. Naturally, the student has to remember that the or the also will be called definite adjective. Then proper adjective. proper, like the proper nouns are used. British paint. Here British is the proper adjective. Swiss chocolate. Swiss is the proper adjective. In the same manner, Australian chess, Russian wine, etc. All these are proper adjectives. Proper adjectives usually have their suffixes, and students will really like to know their examples I have given. Possessive adjectives I have discussed in my old videos. My, our, your, his, her, its, it apostrophe s, their, their. All these are possessive adjectives. Adjective of quantity. Quantity, little, much, less, mostly related with uncountable nouns. So quantity of such nouns will be called adjective of quantity. In the same manner, the countable nouns will be called, the adjectives for countable nouns will be called adjective of number. It can be divided into two categories: cardinal, like 1, 2, 3, and ordinal, like the first, the second, the third, the last, etc. Participle adjective. I kept him waiting. Here waiting is the participle adjective. She remained watching. Watching is another participle adjective because it is used as an adjective. After that, adjective of color. All the colors will be called adjective of color. You can remember picture, violet, indigo, blue, orange, yellow, red. All such colors are adjective of color. Noun used as adjective. Swiss is good in mathematics. Here, Swiss can be proper, but if I say I like Swiss dishes, here Swiss, though a noun, is used as an adjective. Now let's talk about the order of the adjectives. I have coined a sentence that will help the students to memorize the order. Detectives quantified new quails, opening shy edge, shaping coolie, or would be mated with cauliflower tongues. What does it mean? Detectives, for detectives you have to remember, at first you have to use the determiners. I have told you indefinite and definite adjectives and many other such examples will be determiners, and they will be placed at the beginning of a sentence. If a student is asked to use all the adjectives in a single sentence, this will be a rule of thumb for them. After determiner, the student has to use adjective of quantity. After that, adjective of number, then adjective of quality or opinion. After that, adjective of size, age, age. After that, shape, shapes related with adjective or adjectives related with shape will be used. Then adjective of color, and after that origin, that is Swiss, British, like that, Indian. Then adjective of material, like silvery, golden should be used. qualifiers like the degrees of comparison like positive, comparative, superlative, such usages should follow after that, and at the end there should be nouns used as adjectives. So try to memorize the sentence, and I hope the students will find it really enjoyable to memorize it, and you should let me know how you have felt while memorizing and testifying the usages of adjectives, their types and their order on your own. Thank you, my viewers, for patient hearing. Have a nice day.